Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your selling currency on the Depop page. So all you have to do is simply click My Depop on the lower right and click on the settings gear in the upper right. Scroll down under the selling section, you'll find currency. If you tap on that, you can change to whatever currency you want. So in this case, I'm going to choose, for example, Euro, and you will see that it now updates my currency. Now, once I have product on my shop, then it will show in that currency, right? Keep in mind that your currency that you're seeing for products being purchased, then these currency are going to show in the location where you are. So at times these can be a mixture of different currencies as well, depending on where the users are, right? So you can see that there's a mixture of pounds, and you can also see dollars and all these things as well. So you can keep in mind where, and the person who is selling, they can choose as well what currency they want to sell in. So you'll notice that even if you're in a specific country, it doesn't matter. You'll see currency of different, mixture of currencies right there. So it really depends, right? But that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to change your selling currency, that's how you do it.